Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Imaluji's Kitchen. My name is Beauty Michael Imaluji. I hope you all are doing well. I have coconut rice recipe for you. Here are my ingredients. I have my rice, my coconut, I have goat meat, fresh fish, I have green peas, carrots and green beans, onions, pepper and tomatoes. So remember that tomatoes that I made and put in the refrigerator. Yes, I'm going to be using just a little bit of it. So I'll be parboiling my rice. While that is on fire, I'll go ahead and cut my meat into smaller pieces. After that, I'll be rinsing it because it has been properly washed before. So I'll just put it in a bowl and rinse it just once and put in my pot, and then I'll season it up a little bit and put on fire. Allow it to steam. So I'm adding a little bit of salt, 2 cubes of seasoning cubes. Then I'll add pepper as well. Then it will go on the fire. So this fish, I'm going to be roasting it actually. So right now, I'm opening it up a little bit just to cut it open so that when I rub the ingredients on it, some will go into the fish and make it to come out tastier. All right. So this is it. And then I have my pepper, a little bit of salt and seasoning cube, just 1 seasoning cube and a little bit of salt, mixed very well together with the pepper. Then rub it on the fish. Yes, so when I'm done with this, I'll put it in the oven and allow it to roast. Guys, I want to beg you to please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I appreciate you, all my existing subscribers. I welcome you, new subscribers. Please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. Thank you. I'd also like you to leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Okay, so this will be going into the oven and then we'll continue with the cooking. Okay, so while that goes into the oven, we come right now and sieve the coconut which has been blended. So we are going to be sieving it. So we are squeezing out all the juice from the coconut. Yes. All right, so after sieving, you can see what we have. That's the coconut juice. So here is my pepper that I'm going to be using, the parboiled rice. Look at my fish, it's half done. I'm going to be turning it to the other side and allow it to continue roasting. Okay, so we go into the cooking proper. Put in your oil, allow it to get hot, and then put in your pepper, stir, then leave it to boil and let the water dry up a bit, and then you come in and add a little bit of that tomatoes that you already made into paste form earlier. Before, you remember, I used just 1 cooking spoon of that paste because I actually don't need much. Add a little bit of salt, add your seasoning cube, stir very well. So you're actually frying this tomato and pepper, all the ingredients together, allow it to cook for a little bit before you pour in your meat stock. So this is the goat meat stock that has just got into the pot, and then hula, the coconut juice. Coconut juice gets in. Guess what we are going to do right now? We'll cover the pot and allow it to boil. Okay, I have added some more seasoning cubes. I have also added my crayfish. Yes. Okay, so everything has come in at once. After this, now we'll cover it and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, then guess what will be coming in next? Na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. It is boiling. Yes, people, it is boiling. And then hula, the rice comes in. Yes. People, I am going to repeat this recipe again. Like, I'm going to make it again. Maybe when next I'm doing it with fewer ingredients, with more ingredients, I don't know. But I just know that I will repeat this recipe. Maybe by then, I'm going to be serving it with coleslaw or salad. Who knows? I can't say for sure, but I know I'm going to repeat this recipe. Okay, so right there, I added the goat meat. Let it boil together. So we'll allow it to steam until the water level has gone down a bit before we come back for our green peas. Green peas has entered. We'll still allow it to boil again before green beans and carrots. Yes. So now green beans and carrots have gone in. It's just remaining for the water. All the ingredients are okay. The salt level is fine. The Maggi or no level is perfectly okay. Crayfish, everything has blended well. Everything, all the ingredients at this point have gone in, and what we are waiting for is just for the water to dry up. And once that is done, our food is ready and we are ready to eat. And guess what? The eating process, you're going to be seeing me eating this food. Yes, you're going to see me eat this food. Yes. All right. So our food is done already. The water has still not dried up completely. It just has to dry up completely. That is why this pot is still on fire. Otherwise, it would have come down from the fire long ago. The fish is ready. Yes, so our food is gang. Please, who has not subscribed to my channel? No, don't do that to me. Please do subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and see you in my next video. Mwah.